Welcome to Dining with Dan. So tonight I'm going to make a dish called chicken and poivre. Okay, so to start this dish we're going to take one chicken breast, put that on a cutting board. We want to cut that down till it's thinner, so about, I guess we just cut it right down the middle. Cut it into 2 fillets. From there I'm going to cover these up with some plastic wrap. You know, basically we'll press these down to under a half an inch. You want to get them to the fairly even too. So trim off some fat. And you basically just want to season these with salt and pepper. This is one of my previous videos. I made a steak of poivre, and very similar, just with chicken instead of steak. And we're not going to do the flambe like we did on the steak. Once we have that done, we're going to take a large pan and put that on a medium-high heat. I'm going to pour in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Wait for that to heat up and we'll start cooking this chicken. Okay, so once this oil starts to get hot, starts to smoke a little bit, that's when you know it's ready. We're going to throw this chicken in there. I'm going to cook that till it's cooked through, so probably about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Alright, once we get it on about 3 or 4 minutes on one side, we're going to flip these over and continue on the other side. Okay, so once those are cooked thoroughly, I'm going to take those and I'm going to put them onto a plate. And you want to keep them warm, so you can tent them with aluminum foil. For me, I'm going to throw them in the oven at 200 degrees. So now we're going to turn that down to medium. What I'm going to do is I'm throw about 4 tablespoons of butter in there. I'm going to let that melt. To that we're going to add 1 shallot, finely chopped. These ones, just cook those till they're tender. Probably about 3-4 minutes on that. Okay, to that we're also going to add 2 tablespoons of cracked peppercorn and 2 teaspoons of fresh thyme leaves. Throw those in there so it's just aromatic. I'll probably give that another minute or so. Alright, once that's done, you want to take 2/3 of a cup of white wine. I'm going to deglaze the pan with that and let that reduce down a bit. Make sure and scrape all the bits off the bottom. Alright, to that we are going to take about a half cup of heavy cream. I'll mix that in. And give it a taste and add salt and pepper to it if it needs it. Shouldn't need pepper for sure, it's got plenty in there. And basically we're just going to let that simmer for a few minutes to thicken up. Alright, get this off the heat and it should be good. Basically wanted a gravy consistency. That's basically what it is a gravy. So turn the heat off. I'm going to let this sit on that for a little bit, thicken up a little more. Okay. Once we have the gravy to the consistency we want it, we'll take our chicken. And basically just want to pour that right over the top of it. Let's serve this up and we'll try it out. And there you have it, chicken à poivre. Ooh. Very good flavor. If you haven't seen the other video I made for steak à poivre, basically a poivre, it's a French dish. A poivre basically means pepper. So basically like pepper steak or pepper chicken. In this case, of course, is chicken. But the flavor of the pepper and the wine and the thyme, very good flavor. Anyway, if you like this video, you want to see more like it, please subscribe. You want to try this recipe out for yourself, I'll put it down in the description below. I want to thank you for stopping by, and hope to see you again soon.